All right. Go ahead and start her up. So this is sort of a weird story. Came from another mechanic. They bought this off the internet and put it on, and the boat ran worse than it did. And that's what we found out with these Amazon carburetors. They look really nice, but we've not found any way to make them work. It's got a tick in the motor. But go ahead and pop it in forward. Clear. Wobbles, but this is the more important thing right here. And arm completely broken off. And that's supposed to be on that rod right there holding the drive to the boat. Sort of like that side. But if you look at that side right there, you can't see the rod. Someone knew about it because that part is not on the rod anymore. Or I don't know how it got off of there. But the prop looks like it actually was, I don't know how that was done. Looks like it's drugged down the road, really. Go ahead and cut it off. Let's see if that prop looks like it's drugged down the road. Yep. That's the only way that happened. Someone drug it down without the trim being up. Because you can't damage that part of a prop and that part of a prop together. Trim her down some. Yep, there we go. That's how it got damaged. That matches perfectly.